Struggling with hair loss, are you? Fret not. Today we delve into the world of all natural hair growth remedies. This particular remedy can promote up to 9 centimeters of new hair growth in under a month. Yes, you heard that right, and it's not as widely known as it should be. First up, we peel an onion. Onions, believe it or not, have properties that can combat severe hair loss and stimulate new hair growth. Imagine that. And while you're at it, do drop a comment below with your city and specific hair concerns. It'll help me tailor additional recipes to your needs. Next, we slice the onions into small pieces. This simple action can strengthen your hair follicles and enhance blood circulation to your scalp. But we're not done yet. We also need a piece of ginger. Peel it and cut it into small slices. Ginger promotes healthy hair growth, strengthens hair, and prevents excessive shedding. Now, take the sliced onions and ginger, add some water, and blend until smooth. Strain this mixture through a colander to get rid of any solid particles. What you're left with is a potent solution for all your hair woes. Pour this solution into a spray bottle for easy application. To use this magic concoction, spray it onto your scalp and massage gently for 2 minutes until it's fully absorbed. Then leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it out thoroughly. For the best results, do this twice a week. With this powerful solution, you're all set for round-the-clock significant hair growth. So why wait? Give your hair the care it deserves. And remember, subscribe to our channel and give this video a like to get more handy tips like this one. Stay tuned for more, and remember, your hair is your crown. Wear it with pride.